Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a super cool hack that takes your live wallpapers to the next level. Get ready to transform your iPhone into a true masterpiece, and be sure to stick around till the end. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on Add New Wallpaper. Here, you'll see different options. Tap on Live Photos at the top. Now choose a live photo from your library, or if you want something fresh, you can download stunning live photos from trusted online sources. Once you've selected your live photo, use pinch and zoom to adjust its size and position until it looks just right on your screen. Here's the secret sauce. Tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Depth Effect to give your wallpaper that eye-catching 3D look. This step is what really makes the wallpaper pop and stand out. Finally, tap the Add button in the top right corner. Now choose where you want to set it, as your lock screen, home screen, or both. Head back to your home screen, and there it is. Your iPhone now looks like a personalized work of art. And that's it. With this simple live wallpaper hack, you've turned your iPhone into something truly unique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.